Well, welcome back, Ramblers. Well, today's video is going to be about building a electronic prototype board. Now, this one's going to be mainly focused on doing some projects that I want to do later on. The main thing I want to do later on right off the bat is build some guitar amplifiers, what I call chip amps, just little battery powered chip amps, that's what I call them. They're based around the LM386 integrated circuit, audio amplifier chip. And I'll make a video on all that when I get to it. But before I can do that project, I want to build a board that's going to make it easy for me. Well, I wanted to show y'all what my prototype board looked like for right now. Now, this is always going to be in a constant state of flux. Things are going to change as a different project requires different things. I'm sure I'll be able to, change things how I need them. But I tried to make this fairly generic, that way you don't have to change very much and maybe nothing at all for most of your projects. And so what I wanted things to be hard mounted. Now, number one thing I got right here, I was pointing out, is my El Cheapo power supply, which is nothing more than a laptop power supply with a variable knob, okay? And I have these various little angle brackets that I have drilled out to accept jacks and knobs, potentiometers and switches later on, whatever your circuit calls for. And so that's what this is, the purpose of this prototyping setup is for, And of course I've got the breadboard screwed down to the plywood. It's just a scrap piece of plywood. Now, I will admit, some of these little angle brackets were scrap, and I was going to use some other pieces, but I didn't, so I just went to the parts house there, hardware store, and bought me some of these brackets. They're not even $1, I don't think. I don't know, maybe they are, I don't know. But like I say, I just wanted to show y'all what I got going on. Now, I do want to show y'all something that I think is kind of important and that's going to make things very convenient for me, or I think it's going to work out pretty good. So obviously that's my power strip. Now, my power supply here, how this works is turns on when you get past you turn the knob up. And so you got to roll through these voltages. So you can't just go straight to one voltage that you want, okay? And so if you're working on a circuit where you want the voltage to stay the same, you either have to undo the connection and then plug it back in to do it. And that can be a little cumbersome sometimes, because you don't want to be turning this knob up and down all the time every time you want to turn your power off. So what we did, and it's a little on the janky side for right now. I mean, that can be done a little better, more permanent. But I have this master power switch, and this turns the power on and off to my entire board. So there it is right there. And so when I'm sitting right here, it'll be real convenient, and I can just turn that on, turn that off. And I want to point, right now it's 12 volts. I hardly ever, that's just luck, because this thing is, like I say, I do like using cheap stuff when I can get, and get away with it. And this board, I can just take this wherever I want to, if I need to go somewhere. And everything's already hard mounted on there. I don't have to look for nothing, So, and of course I got the ubiquitous 555 timer chip. Now, this was a quick and dirty version of it. I didn't, get the values on the resistors very good, but there's that. Like I say, I just wanted to show y'all what I've done to make things convenient for me later on, because I think this is going to be very convenient and help me out later on electrical projects. And just wanted to show y'all this in case y'all might want to do something similar or get some ideas and do it better, do it a little cleaner than I've done, but there it is. So here's where we are right now with this project, prototyping board, and like I said, this is going to make things real convenient for me in the future. So till next time, Ramblers, see y'all around. Uh-oh, there you go. There's a good blooper for you. And I'm not making none of this exactly straight or anything. My little punch here, little popper, it's not working.